Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to provide liquidity on Uniswap step by step. In this tutorial, I'll be using SafePal wallet, but do not worry if you're using a different Web3 wallet, the process is almost the same. Just open Uniswap from your preferred wallet or through your phone's browser and follow along. Now, before we proceed, if you find our tutorial video helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of Wiki Cat will be in the description. Now let's dive right into today's tutorial. So first, open the SafePal app. Go to the Explore section. Now, using the search bar, search for Uniswap. Select the DEX option. You'll be redirected to the official Uniswap website. So here is the home page. You'll need to first connect your wallet. So tap connect. Select the wallet you want to use to provide liquidity. Right, so I'm using SafePal. Alright, so now my wallet is connected and I can proceed. So I'll just tap get started, and then the menu icon at the top left corner, select full. So we are creating a new liquidity position, right? So I'll just tap new position. Okay, so first step here is to select your token pair. Here is for the first. I'll select BNB. And here is for the second, USDT. Now once you've selected both tokens, just scroll down to tap continue. So this is the second and final step, right? It entails choosing how you want your liquidity to be used. So for the price range, you can choose full range or customized range, right? Full range actually keeps your liquidity active across all possible prices, right? Though it's the simpler option, but your capital is spread over a much wider range. But custom range actually lets you choose the price range where your liquidity will be active. If the market stays within that range, you can potentially earn higher fees. However, if the price moves outside your selected range, your liquidity stops earning trading fees until the price comes back into that range. So what this means as opposed to full range is that you can set a price range for your liquidity, and that means that if price goes outside this range, right, your liquidity will be taken out of the market. For this tutorial, we'll be using custom range. So just below is a price chart. The yellow and green bars represent the price range where your liquidity will be active. Right, you can drag the handles to widen or to narrow that range, depending on your preference. If you're not sure what range to choose, right, Uniswap also provides some ready-made price strategies. Stable is mainly designed for stable coin pairs or tokens with very little price movement. Wide gives your liquidity a broader price range, and since BNB price can move significantly while USDT remains relatively stable, this option actually helps keep your liquidity active over a wider range of prices. So for this tutorial, we'll go with the wide strategy. We also have one-sided lower and one-sided upper. So these are advanced strategies used when you expect the price to move mainly in one direction. So now once you've chosen your preferred strategy, right, just scroll down and enter the amount that you want to provide. So once you have entered for one token, right, Uniswap will automatically calculate how much of the second token is needed so that both tokens are supplied in equal value. So tap review once you are done. Now review the details carefully and then tap create. Now once it's successful, your liquidity position will appear under your positions and you'll begin earning a share of the trading fees generated whenever users swap tokens through the liquidity pool. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial video, please put it in the comment section, and of course do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a tutorial video. Bye.